Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Maison new mystery box review. And in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and this website portal is based in the United States, and the Amazing Mystery Box.com aims to offer you some value packs. Apart from that, this online portal comes with varied items and mystery boxes. And this company offers 3, 6 and 12 month subscriptions plans at a discounted price. If you want to check out the offering information, then you need to check out the menu option button, guys. You can find what's inside and buy mystery boxes. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about other information including payment and shipping policy, guys. So you can see the modes of payment available on the site are Visa, MasterCard, MX, Discover, JCB, etc. And let's talk about shipping policy of this website. So let's check out the FAQ page. So guys, here you can read the information about official merchandise and about the addresses or other information. So guys, here they have not provided a particular shipping policy page, which is not a good sign here. So let's talk about other information. And guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 12th of October 2016. This means that this site is 4 years old, guys, and it defines its legitimacy. So let's explore the entire information, including the about us information of this website. So let's check out the about us page. And this is the about us page. They have provided the entire information related to business establishment year, business owner name and brand connection info, which is a good sign, guys. And this particular factor define its legitimacy. So you can read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. Now talking about contact details, guys. You need to visit buy mystery boxes menu option button, and at the end of the or bottom of the web page you can find the official address and email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. So they have provided the details as well. And talking about social media presence, so you can see various social media icons are available at the bottom of the web page, which are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube. And this site has strong social media presence on these social media platforms, guys. So this is again a positive sign. Talking about return and refund policy, they have not provided the exact return or refund policy, guys. I'm not able to find any page related to return or refund policy. So yes, guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund if you have, because it will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Maison new mystery box reviews, guys, we are not able to find the more reviews or more feedbacks about this site on the internet. But yes, you can find the customer reviews on the Facebook page or Instagram page of this website. And most of the customers are happy and satisfied, while few are not, guys. So yes, this company is a part of Character Kingdom Limited, guys, and the site appears to be legit as the site is popular online. So yes, if you want to visit the site offering, then you need to explore the entire information from your end, guys. And we highly recommend you to check everything from your site carefully before you decide to place any order. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.